Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to remove the Copilot app icon from the Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 11 device. So if you're looking for a cleaner browsing experience without Copilot in the sidebar, this guide is for you. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows device. You can do this from the Start menu or taskbar if you have already pinned it. Then you have to click on the triple dot icon in the top right corner to open the main menu. And then you have to choose the settings option to proceed. If you don't see settings in the drop down menu, click on the more tools first and then select the settings option to proceed. And once you are in the settings menu, look for the menu icon on the top left and click on it. This will open the settings sidebar. From here, select Copilot and the sidebar option. In the Copilot and sidebar section, you will see the Copilot app settings. Now find the toggle labeled Show Copilot and turn it off. This will instantly remove the Copilot icon from your Edge sidebar. To bring Copilot back, simply revisit the same Copilot toggle and switch it back on. And that's pretty much it. You have now successfully removed the Copilot icon from the Microsoft Edge browser. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye bye.